welcome. Just headed over to do some errands today here in the Model Y. Nothing special. I was driving my Skag lawnmower and I hit a stump and I broke the $75 belt that runs the 3 blades on the mower deck. So I'm headed to the Skag store and get a new belt. And I'm going to go by Greg's house. He's got to do some Photoshop work for me. I'm going to drop off some stuff. He lives way down in Greer. And of course, I got the pups with me today, so it should be a good day. The weather's nice. It's going to be no rain, I think, today, so that'll be great. Yep, Hank and Luna are sacked out in the back. They're my co-pilots today. Today we're starting the adventure with 79%. Shouldn't be but very long. I'd bet we're maybe 30 miles today. Don't know. Such a nice day. Maybe I'll go for a longer ride. You never know. We're coming into Landrum through the Hunting Country Road. And it's real nice here. It's a very nice... I don't want to call it a bedroom community, but it's certainly a bunch of houses and the like here. As you can see, it's pretty shady through here. These houses have been here a while, but if I slow down and I look over here to the left, there's a very, very old barn in the back there. It's kind of cool. Looks like that barn's been there a while, maybe even this house here, I don't know. And of course, just coming into the town of Landrum here. This is Highway 176. We just crossed over some dead railroad tracks. They used to service the Saluda area, and now this railroad line is closed, and we're heading south here, or east I should say, on 176 now. Railroad tracks run across 176 here, and then these houses here have been here probably maybe as long as the railroad tracks, I don't know. Chimneys are indicative of an old house. This is kind of cool. Over here on the left side is an old fossil fuel service station. Here is an old-timey service station, old 76 station. I think we'll run AutoPilot here. Gives me a little more breather room here to do a little bit more videoing here. This is the intersection of Highway 11 and Highway 176 here. And here is the Doghouse. It's a hamburger place. And this intersection here, you get Highway 11 and it takes you over to the other big interstate nearby, which is Interstate 26. So I think this may be close to the downtown of Inman here. Yep, we're just coming into the town of Inman. Still on autopilot here. It's a very large service station here. Now turned something else. And downtown Inman. You can kind of see the only brick building downtown here. Still on autopilot. We're in the outskirts of a town called Grambling. Sounds like gambling, but it's Grambling. Still running autopilot here. Go, the only building in Grambling. That was downtown Grambling, South Carolina. All right, we continue south here for another 1.5 miles to our destination. And our turns right here. Here's the lawn and garden place.
Now your destination is on the right.
Nice bunch of guys. Get everything fixed here. And we'll park it right here. All right, let's go spend our $75. All right, once we arrive, we're parked here, and first thing we do is we hit the little thing, we put it in dog mode, and that'll keep the pups happy here while I go inside and spend my money here. All right, $81 later, I've got a new belt for my Skag mower. Ouch. Yeah, just so you see here, the pups, they're comfortable at 69 degrees here in the Model Y. That's dog mode for you. So we're gonna hit the road here now. The navigation is set, 12 miles to Greg's place, so let's hit the road. Just headed down the back roads here. A lot of twisty turnies here. It's not a highway, so to speak. It's a nice road, but no highway. There's even construction on this road. How about that? This is a typical residential road you'll find out here in the country. Houses aren't close spaced out here like they are in a city. Everybody has a little bit of land between them. 7.5 miles to go. This building and house looks like it's been here for a few years. Like an old farmhouse here.
In 1 mile, bear left to stay on Mount Lebanon Church Road.
Yeah, it looks like one of the original houses out here. Yeah, it looks like some new construction out here. As the cities expand, these guys buy the tracts of land and build houses and housing tracts out here. Fit them in between all the existing old stuff.
Right on to North Highway 14.
Yeah, we made it to Highway 14. I usually use Highway 14 to go into South Carolina. Looks good. Oh, now I know where I'm at. Yeah, we're just about at Greg's house now. I'm going to drop some pictures off. He's going to do some Photoshop work for me. And then heading home. So we'll get that done. I've arrived here at Greg's house. I got 70%. It's not bad. We're going to put dog mode on. We'll hit dog mode. Now dog mode's on. I can get out of the car and the car will stay nice and cool for the pups. So let me get my job done and I'll be back. And I dropped all that stuff off at Greg's. Just leaving Greg's here now and heading that way. Look at that. A mailman in a non-1950s truck. Still a fossil fuel truck, but at least it's not those 1950 style. Anyway, heading home now. Got, I don't know, 15 miles to go. Well, Hanky, are you ready to go home? Yeah, how about you, Luna? You ready to go? All right, here we go. Guys, chill out. Winding our way down the back roads here, get out on Highway 14 and then head to the house. Getting hungry. It's a little after lunch here. Highway 14's here. Head northeast. Looky there, nobody's coming. On autopilot now. Guy's not going the speed limit, but it is what it is. We're in the country after all. Oh no, we're on a curved road. That's okay. Autopilot's got it. Even on a curved back road. Yeah, we're going through Landrum from west to east here today. go through Landrum, west to east. I hope you enjoyed my commercial-free content here. Just about home. Is kind of a quirky day. We just had to go do a bunch of errands here in the Model Y, and I took the pups. The Model Y, of course, is equipped with what's called dog mode. It allows you to take your animals and leave them in the car while you're in the store or wherever. Keeps it nice and cool for them, and they're very happy. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers or a big discount on your solar purchase. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.